everybody, and welcome back to the InvestTalk Market Wrap-Up. I'm Luke Guerrero, and today's Monday, June 16th, 2025. Overall positive day in the market, Dow up 75 basis points, S&P 500 up just shy of 1% at 94 basis points, NASDAQ powering the way up 152, and the Russell 2000 up 112 basis points. Comes on the back of what we saw on Friday, which was a little bit of a sell-off on the rising tensions in the Middle East. On a sector basis, travel and leisure did well, apparels, casual diner names, auto suppliers, and credit cards leading the positive names on the day. Big tech mostly higher, with Meta and Amazon the best performers out of that group. Underperformers included hospitals, select managed care, tobaccos, utilities, and a little bit of a pullback in oil, which dragged the energy sector downward. Dollar index was up 20 basis points, though the euro was a bit firmer once again, nearing last week's peak. That was the strongest versus the dollar since November of 2021. Gold finished down 1% and crude oil down 1.7% after rallying 7.5% on Friday. Overall, pretty volatile day with respect to headlines coming out of the Middle East. Risk on, though, pretty much not much going on to really drive the market higher today other than a rebound from that Friday sell-off. You saw some improved headlines surrounding potential de-escalation, Iran wanting to speak with the United States. But from an attack perspective, missiles still being lobbed from both sides. Over there, Israel saying they will continue operations against Iran regardless of if negotiations start up once again with the United States. Now, weaker crude oil also provided some bit of a market tailwind. Again, last week, 13% jump from really some historic lows that we've been seeing recently. And so as energy prices come down, well, that means that input costs would come down as well. Boost to earnings, market rebounding a little bit from that. But other than that, a little bit of a wait and see. Some updates this week. We got June FOMC meeting on Wednesday, which will include an updated dot plot. We have more negotiations around that reconciliation package for the budget between the House and the Senate. You have more tariff negotiations. So overall, market's really in a wait and see mode right now. Now, from an economic perspective, pretty quiet on the calendar. Not much today. June Empire State Manufacturing Survey posted a bit of a surprise decline. New orders, general business, shipments all weaker, but employment positive for the first time since January. We also saw prices paid decelerated, while at the same time, prices received rose. Now, looking ahead to the rest of the week, pretty busy week. We got retail sales, import prices, and industrial production for May, along with the NAHB housing market index for June, which will be out on Tuesday, which is tomorrow. Headline retail sales expected at minus 60 basis points month over month in June on weaker auto sales, though core retail sales expected at positive 30 basis points. And then we also have May housing starts and building permits out on Wednesday, along with the weekly jobless claims and probably the most important thing, the June FOMC decision, updated SEP, and a press conference from Powell himself. Thanks for joining us. Can't wait to see you here tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on.